To give users a deeper understanding of their site's energy footprint, the ABB Ability Energy Manager can organize devices into groups. Widgets then use these predefined and customizable groups to provide a simple way to monitor and compare energy consumption in specific areas of the site. Once groups have been created, users can see the real-time current, voltage, or power data of their main consumption or generating groups. It is easy to select the groups for a deep dive, visualizing key information as a bar chart. This is the Group Peak Monitoring widget. This aggregates the total active power for a selected group on the mains power lines. It then allows users to compare the values against the site's contractual power limits and tariffs. The Multi-Asset Peak Power widget is here. It enables users to compare the power absorption of up to 5 assets, again comparing this with the site's contractual power settings. The Energy Mix Group widget displays the total active energy and the related percentage contribution of each selected group for a selected period. A pie chart showing the energy contribution of different groups is displayed. And you can select up to 4 groups to subtract from the facility's total energy consumption. Alternatively, if you want to see real-time values for water, gas, or heat aggregated in groups, you can do that here with the Group Real-Time Metering widget.